The two most common cartridge styles you will encounter are ones that include a print head, such as the HP 301, and those that don't, such as an Epson 603. In this next example, we will show you how to locate the contact chip on both types of cartridges. This cartridge is normally sold as an original or a refilled cartridge. Its shape is quite distinctive. The contact chip on these cartridges looks like this and can be defined by small metal dots on orange tape. It is closely joined to the print head panel below, and you'll need to be careful of ink spills during the handling process. This type of cartridge is normally sold as an original or a compatible. The shape can vary slightly. The contact chip on these types of cartridges looks like one you might see on a bank card and has a metal plate. Be careful when handling this cartridge, as the print head inside the printer will have pierced the film during installation. Now that we have determined the two most popular cartridge types that you'll come across, you'll want to use a dry cloth or pencil rubber to gently clean the contact chips like so. This will ensure that there is no static interference or dust affecting the contact chip. Following reinstallation, you'll need to turn the printer off at the plug for around 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Often you'll find the error has been cleared and you are free to print. When ordering from Stinky Ink, all of our products come with a 12-month quality guarantee, so in the rare event you do encounter a problem, we are always happy to help. You also benefit from free fast delivery as part of our service, which is one of the many reasons why we are voted #1 ink supplier in the UK by Trustpilot.